Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Fresco on your computer. So for downloading it, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So now here on the search bar, search here for Adobe Fresco. So just wait till this is loading. So here you can see Adobe Fresco is showing. You can install it from here, but let me show you the another method. You have to install this Adobe Creative Cloud. So as I have already installed it, this is showing as open. So now click on open. So now after opening, this screen will show, but sometimes if you have not logged in, you have to first log in. So after coming to this screen, go to apps and now scroll down, and now here you can see Fresco is showing. Now from here click on install, and now this is showing waiting, and this will take a few minutes according to your internet speed to download. So after installing it from here, you can use it absolutely for free. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.